Our goal is to visit all 212 municipalities of Slovenia.
And this week we are in Mirna.
This is our route, which is gonna take us about 15 minutes. Right behind me is one of the most important castle chapels in Dolenjska region. Vladi is a little bit scared of the goats. South of Mirna lies the village of Lanšprež. Between 1766 and 1784, the estate was owned by Peter Pavel Glavar, who built a larger chapel, one of the most significant in Dolenjska region, and the area also features a unique hayloft with stone supports. The Lanšprež estate changed many owners throughout its history. Built by the Gallenberg family in the 16th century, it was sold to Peter Pavel Glavar in 1766, who made significant improvements. The castle was later damaged during World War II and completely demolished in 1954. Glavar was also a pioneer in Slovenian beekeeping, keeping around 200 beehives at Lanšprež and writing one of the earliest Slovenian beekeeping manuals, advancing the craft in the region. Mirna is home to one of Slovenia's largest beverage providers, Dana, which has a tradition of over 70 years, specializing in a wide range of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, including fruit juices and mineral water. Since 1952, Dana has transitioned from strong alcoholic drinks to focusing entirely on non-alcoholic beverages, with water as its leading product. This is a really nice location. You have a coffee shop.
Yes, you have a cafe where you can also eat.
Yeah.
Then you have a pond.
Mirna pond.
Yes.
And on the hill behind the pond is the Mirna Castle.
And this castle is amazing. Let's go check out the castle.
Oh no, I'm not for hiking. Also Laura. But I see the sign on the right of the castle.
Behind me is Mirna Castle, one of the oldest castles in Slovenia. It was built in the late 11th century. It's located on a hill, and the views from inside are stunning, overlooking the beautiful landscape. The castle was heavily damaged during the Second World War, where the partisans burned it down and mined it in December of 1942. In 1961, Dr. Marko Mari started restoring the castle. By 1991, he restored key elements, but the castle is still not fully restored. Pond is very close, so if you visit the pond, definitely hike up to the castle and check it out. Martica approves. Here they also have a trim track called Trimmigo. It is a track for working out, meant for athletes as well as amateurs. It's 6 kilometers long and you have 13 stops and 11 workout stations or workout machines. The track is in the shade and next to a beautiful stream. In Mirna you can also find this beautiful church. This is the church of Saint Janez Krstnik.
finally, we are located at our last location, which is called Zoo Park Ranč Aladin. Here they have 40 species and over 130 animals from all parts of the world. Okay, oh no, the goats, Lali, quick. The goats. He has a nice beard. This is my dude. This is my homie dog. Nice beard, bro.
I'm a little bit scared of the goats. So
Lali is a little bit scared of the goats. I will just walk around. He knows where.
he knows where the treats are.
Yeah.
We just need to check if we have €1 because these treats are €1 and look at him. He really wants the treats.
Oh.
This looks
Corn. It's corn.
Oh no. Oh no.
This is like a big dog. You know, if you give them the food, they will be even closer to you.
Okay.
No, I only have €2.
No.
I don't have a euro.
They want this food. Okay, so over the park you have a lot of places to sit down, a lot of playgrounds for children. You know, they have a lot of stuff like this. Here you can, shoot at each other. They have a zip line.
Yeah, they have a slide.
Yeah, a lot of
Slides.
stuff. So it's really, for children, I think this location will be very interesting. Even for us, it's really cool.
So they have some species that our main zoo in Ljubljana doesn't have. That's very cool.
Yeah. Yeah, doesn't have.
Yeah, I'm learning.
I didn't expect it to have so many sitting areas, so many playgrounds for children and everything, everything is really well taken care of. They have a lot of informational boards about everything, so that's really interesting. You can read what the animals eat, where they're from, what are their names. So yeah, I think it's really, really cool. And my favorite animal we have seen so far was the raccoon. It's really, it's just so cute.
I'm gonna show you what's my favorite animal. I didn't remember the name in English. We need to film it. We need to go back and translate it.
Okay guys, we're gonna get some beer. We have the coin here, so let's try it out. You just put it right here. Let's see. Oh, I think it works. Whoa. I'm doing a good job or no, Matic?
You are a master.
I don't drink beer, but this is really cool. I think this is it. Okay, I did it. It's a good beer, and you get a good amount. The beer costs €2.50, which I think
It's normal.
a good price. You also have coffee. You have vending machines here, and I think food, a lot of stuff. So yeah. Yeah, guys, you have a lot of games like this here. So we're gonna show you a few.
They have everything from dinosaurs, different rides to trampolines, and much more. You can also stay overnight in Santa's cottage and glamping houses, something we definitely need to check out in the future.
We would like to say a big thank you to Damian for showing us around, for accepting us, and we wish you all the best.
That was it for this video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.
See you in the next one.
Bye!